Hi everyone! Today I will teach you a body roll down. This move is the opposite way of a body roll up. Here's what it looks like. Don't get discouraged if it feels weird at first. Are you ready to try it? Again, I will move to the side to teach the step and start with your feet slightly apart. Bring your forehead slightly forward, then roll down through your head, shoulder, chest, into your hips and ending in your knees. You should feel like you're sitting in a chair when you finish the roll. Try that with me. Roll your head down to your hips. If you are precise and confident in the head and the hips, then the rest will fall into place. Let's do that with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's do that with music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just did a body roll down. Good job, and make sure to keep practicing.